How to change Yahoo password. Hey guys, welcome back to this YouTube channel. Today I will show you that how can you change your Yahoo mail password. So let's get started. On this process, at first you'll have to open your Yahoo with your account. So simply you have to open it. Alright, so after you open the Yahoo with your Yahoo account, you'll be able to see such interface. So from your, you'll have to just tap on your profile icon just at the top right corner. So simply you have to click on it. Alright, so from here you'll have to just go the option manage your account. So simply click on it. Okay, so from the section you'll have to go the option security. So simply you have to go that option. Okay, so now from the section you'll have to scroll down and go the options like password, and from the password section you'll have to go the option change password. And now from here you can easily set a new password for your Yahoo mail. So after you done it, you'll have to just tap on the continue option, and from there you'll be easily able to change your Yahoo mail password. So this is the easiest and simplest method. Hope you found this video helpful to you, and please don't forget to subscribe our YouTube channel for more quick and short tutorial like this. Thank you for watching this video. Have a nice day.